Jacqueline from SolFood Collective, bringing you all things plant-based and ways to live a healthy, holistic lifestyle. I'm going to show you this morning how to make my most favorite salted caramel mocha. It is extremely healthy for you. It is very low in sugar, doesn't have a ton of syrups or anything, and it is just absolutely delicious. It's my favorite thing on the planet. So first thing you're going to want to do is brew your favorite kind of coffee. I always recommend using organic coffee to steer clear of all of the pesticides that are sprayed on the coffee. So I have some organic coffee here. I French press mine, but in here I added lavender buds. I love the taste of lavender infused coffee. It's very subtle. It's divine. So you can find lavender buds in the dry goods section at your grocery store, and they're just what you would think they are, little dried lavender buds. So edible lavender buds. Sometimes you can find them in the baking section. Just ask around, but I highly recommend trying these guys. So I am brewing my French press organic coffee here. So let's get to the good part. I love to use oat milk. It's kind of the only milk that I do use. I like the Pacific brand. It has less additives. There's a lot of oat milks on the market that have a lot of things added to it. This is not one of them. So I love that oat milk. I use a frother, okay? If you don't have a frother, I highly recommend getting one. It's life-changing. It is so amazing. Once you froth, you will never drink your coffee any other way. If you don't have a frother, you can heat all of this in a pan and use a whisk, or just whisk it in a bowl or throw it in a blender just to break up the powder in the liquid. But I highly recommend frothing. So I'm filling up my frother. I think it's about a half a cup, okay? And now I am going to add my maca. When this is frothing, I'm going to go over all of the health benefits of all of these things, because this actually is the most healthy coffee you'll ever drink. So here I have my maca. I have about a teaspoon of that. I'll put my cacao in. Put about a teaspoon of that. This makes for a very caramely flavor. And then I'm going to add my coconut sugar. Coconut sugar is a really great sugar alternative. It doesn't really kill the gut bacteria the way regular sugar does. And there's actually lots of vitamins and minerals in coconut sugar. And then you're going to add your salt. I have this little scooper in mine, so I'm just going to put, a little scoop in there. You don't want too much because you don't want it to be super salty coffee, but I think a good healthy pinch would be good. And then you're going to add your vanilla. Okay? And let's froth it. While that's frothing, I'll tell you, so maca is amazing, okay? Maca is a sexy little root. It increases the libido. It increases fertility, but it also reduces erectile dysfunction. And it boosts your energy, it boosts your mood, and it also reduces blood pressure. So this is a sexy little root we love. Love maca. And then you have your cacao. Cacao has 40 times the antioxidants of blueberries. It is the highest plant-based source of iron, and it lowers blood pressure as well, and it's great to elevate the mood. Cacao. I really like this brand here. It's organic, non-GMO. I recommend getting everything organic, non-GMO. Okay. And then, vanilla, organic, non-GMO. And then your pink Himalayan sea salt. That's what I recommend using. It is full of electrolytes. It increases hydration, and it balances your pH, which is, the alkaline versus acidity in the body, to help reduce acid reflux, which I think is amazing. And it's great to strengthen the bones, and it also lowers blood pressure, and has up to 84 trace minerals. So that's kind of impressive. And then I already told you about the coconut sugar. So Coconut sugar is really, really good. I highly recommend using it. Always buy organic, and try to get fair trade. I'm not going to go into why. Stan's having quite the morning over there, as you can see. Okay, I'm going to press down my coffee. Oh, it smells so good. Pour that in there. And then we have our creamy, dreamy, frothed milk. Let's take a look. Little cup of gratitude. What are you grateful for this morning? Look at that creamy, creamy milk. Okay. Oh, it smells amazing. Oh, it smells so good. You wouldn't think that lavender would taste good with this. I'm telling you, it's between the frother and the lavender, it's like I am so addicted to my morning coffee. Okay. Cheers. Yummy. All right, let me know what you think about this. Don't forget to visit SolFoodCollective.com. I have so many amazing things up on that website. Go poke around, take a look. Follow me. Make sure you subscribe. Follow me on the Instas. And have an awesome day. Enjoy your coffee. And I will see you soon. Bye.